Welcome back to AI Website Hunter. Are you tired of spending hours creating marketing videos or struggling with complicated editing tools? Well, today I've got something that will change the game for you. I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool that makes creating marketing videos super easy. No complex software. No endless editing. And no stress. Just type, click, and your video is ready. So, let's dive in. The tool we're using today is called Pippit AI. It's an AI-powered platform designed for creators, marketers, and businesses who want professional videos in minutes. When you log into Pippit AI, you'll land on the dashboard, and trust me, you'll be impressed. It's packed with multiple AI-powered tools, including Marketing Video Generator, AI Avatar Video Creator, AI Talking Photos, AI Design, Product Photo Generator. But today, we're focusing on the marketing video feature because that's where the real magic happens. Start with marketing video. On the dashboard, click on Marketing Videos. This is where you can create different types of videos using just an input prompt, a video link, or by uploading images or videos. In my case, I'm going to start with a prompt. I'll simply describe the type of video I want, and Pippit AI will handle the rest. Now you need to select the AI mode. Pippit gives you two options: Agent mode, Light mode. I recommend going with Agent mode because it's more advanced and delivers the best results. Next, click on Media option and upload your product photos. This helps Pippit create a more personalized and visually appealing video. After that, you'll find some additional settings to make your video even better. Once you've finalized all your settings, click on the Generate button and let Pippit AI do its magic. Within seconds, it will analyze your input and create a high-quality professional marketing video, completely done for you. Here's what my generated video looks like /.
When life gets heavy, sometimes you need a reminder to focus on the good. This t-shirt isn't just clothing, it's a whole mood. The melting smiley with lightning eyes, pure aesthetic energy, comfortable, trendy, and carrying the perfect message for any.
Looks amazing, right? And that's it, you've just created a professional marketing video in minutes without touching a complicated editor. So, if you want to save time, impress your audience, and create viral marketing videos effortlessly, give Pippit AI a try today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Website Hunter, and hit the bell icon for more amazing AI tools and tutorials every week. See you in the next video.